This is a review of the M249 MkII saw spring airsoft rifle and the double eagle, what is it?
Double Eagle M82.
M82, it's also known in real life as the 6-hour 556. Has a silencer, it's good for nothing but looks, it sucks at shooting. A red laser. Yep, it works. It also comes with a red dot sight, which is not on right now. Has the foregrip. Looks like real bullets inside of the magazine, but it's not. It holds 25 rounds. Clip release, trigger. It goes fully automatic, semi, then you have your safety.
And then the foldable adjust.
Yeah, foldable stock. Attaches onto the side. It also comes with a flash hider, but that's not on right now. Hold it. Over to the saw. Not sure of the brand. It was a no-name brand. It was cheap, but it's still a good gun. Has a blue flashlight. I don't know why, but it's cool. Yep, blue. That's cool. Has a, I think, 30 round magazine. Not really sure of what it is, but it's pretty decent for a spring. Comes with the carrying handle. Bipods, foldable, you can bring it up. You have your forward sights. Pretty decently length barrel. I will now be doing the test fire of the saw. It's pretty accurate.
I'll be shooting the 5.56 first semi-automatic.